Today we are good morning friends. Welcome to our classroom channel. Today we are going to see about October month environmental current affairs. Let us see. First one is yellow dust. What is yellow dust? Yellow dust is actually a sand that comes from China and Mongolia desert with very high speed into both North and South Korea during specific periods every year. What happens after that? That sand mixes with other toxic substances such as industrial pollutants. As a result, which the yellow dust is known to cause a number of respiratory ailments. Next is usually when the dust reaches unhealthy levels in the atmosphere, the authorities warn their people to remain indoors and limit their physical activity. When the concentration of the yellow dust in the atmosphere crosses around 800 milligrams, the schools are shut and outdoor events cancelled in the affected areas. Next one is Geological Survey of India. The news is climate change has driven butterflies and moths to higher Himalayas. What happened? Due to the climatic changes occur, the butterflies and moths which belongs to the Lepidoptera species, now they shifted their habitats to higher Himalayas. Lepidoptera species include butterflies, skippers and moths. Next is India's first 5 animal bridges going to be inaugurated. India is to see the first 5 animal overpasses on the Delhi-Bombay Expressway. The expressway is under construction, so the animal bridges were planned to avoid disturbance to Ranthambore Wildlife Corridor. The Ranthambore Wildlife Corridor is in Rajasthan. That connects Mukundra and Ranthambore Wildlife Sanctuaries. The plan of the animal bridges have been approved by the Central Wildlife Board. Next one is Stockholm International. What happened in Stockholm International? Union Cabinet of India approves ratification of 7 organic pollutants, POPs. Further, the cabinet delegated its powers of ratification to the Union Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Environmental, Forest and Climate Change to ratify the 7 chemicals that affected the environment. Next is October 23, International Snow Leopard Day. We say every year the International Snow Leopard Day is celebrated on October 23rd. It is also called the World Snow Leopard Day. Snow leopard is the man's best friend. The first International Snow Leopard Day was celebrated in 2014. Since 2014, we celebrated this International Snow Leopard Day to create the awareness about conservation and preservation of snow leopard. Next is habitats of Himalayan brown bear become declining. What is the reason? This is also due to the climatic reason. The recent study of the Geological Survey of India on Himalayan brown bear says that its suitable habitat in the biological corridors are declining. Himalayan brown bear is one of the largest carnivore in the highlands of Himalayas. About the study, the study predicts that the massive habitat decline is to occur in the Himalayan region. Next is vulture conservation centers to be established in 5 states of India. So the National Board for Wildlife recently approved an action plan for vulture conservation. In India, we get 8 kinds of species of vulture. Of these, 3 species of vultures are very critically endangered. So now National Board for Wildlife Sanctuary approved an action plan for vulture conservation. The new vulture conservation centers are to be established in the states of Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Next is world's biggest zinc smelter project in Gujarat. The Hindustan Zinc Limited is to invest rupees 10,000 crores to set up the biggest zinc smelter in the world. Is to be set up in the industrial region of South Gujarat. Is capable of producing 300 kilotons per annum. Next one is Kaleshwaram project gets environmental clearance. The NGT, that is National Green Tribunal, granted environmental clearance to the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project of Telangana. This project is built on the Godavari River. Next one is IMT launches improved xylem and anaphyser models to monitor air quality in the country. What is meant by IMD? IMD is a Indian Meteorological Department which operationalized improved air quality forecast models. They are xylem and anaphyser. The model has been improved by implementing global emission inventories such as CAMS, GLOBE and EDGAR. Next one is zombie fires. What is meant by zombie fires? That are recently burning the Arctics. The zombie fires in the Arctic. The zombie fires in the Arctic region are becoming frequent because this says that the fire regimes in the Arctic are changing rapidly. These regions are once frozen tundra. But what is a fire? What are zombie fire means? A zombie fire is a fire from a previous growing season. It can smolder, burn slowly with smoke and no flame under the ground. Next one is World Migratory Bird Day, that is celebrated on second Saturday of May and October. So it is celebrated twice a year. Earlier in May, the day was celebrated on May 9. Both the days are under the same theme. The theme is birds connect over the world. Next one is 2 new Ramsar sites designated in India. So the Kapartala wetland in Bihar and Asan Conservation Reserve in Uttarakhand have been designated as a new Ramsar sites. This Kapartala wetland also called as Kanwar Jheel. So now we have 39 Ramsar sites in India. Next one is President formulates audience to constitute Air Quality Management Commission in NCR. That is, the President of India has formulated an audience to constitute an Air Quality Commission for air quality management in the National Capital Region and the areas adjoining it. Next is